We're at the tower. We have the 27th floor. We have room 27403. All right, here is the key. Walking in. First thing you walk in, to your left is the bathroom. We actually came in here and put our luggage away, but let's take a look. So nice tissue, plugs, plenty of plugs, your light. There is your bath products. Nice mirror. See if you see me in it. Good, can't see my face. So, all right, so that's where the towels are. You got a hair dryer. This is a nice size shower. All right, questions. Is that a used towel? Maybe my wife used one. So it's just here. And of course, this is where you do your business. Trash. There we have for artwork. All right, a very clean shower. It was, again, your standard conditioner, shampoo, and body wash. Very nice shower. All right, as we step out of the shower, you have the closet. I was able to come in here where you have your safe. That's pretty good. And your laundry bags, ironing board, and iron. Very good, very good. All right, we walk in. That is a nice sized TV. It's very dark from this angle. As we turn around, you can see there's the desk. Nice little seating area. And again, nice little seating area. And here's the king size bed. Let me stand back. I did put my bag there. And 2 nightstands on the nightstands each. Well, only this one has a clock, which is nice, but they each has this plug, which is for 2 separate lights, USB and USB-C and an AC. Very good. You walk into the desk, very, very comfortable. Again, 2 chairs. Probably can't see it from here. I have to do a daytime view, too much reflection. But we have what's called a strip view. From what I can see from this room on the 27th floor, we have a great view of the Mandalay Bay, the W, and the Luxor and the Excalibur. Not bad. All right. And again, this is a strip king tower view room.